What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am just going to be doing some organizing of my nail tools into the new containers that I recently showed you guys. I might put some stuff in this one today, I'm not sure, but I know I do want to use these. I want to take what I have in here, which is like you know, acrylic nail brushes, dotting tools, stuff like this. I just wanted like tweezers, my little scissors, and all of these. I think I'm gonna put all of that into here. And I think I'm gonna use this little drawer thingy for like my jewelry, my earrings and stuff. And I'm gonna see what actually I can fit in here first and then figure that out. I was thinking about putting it in here. I don't know. We'll see as I go and I pull stuff out and I see how much everything is. I think in this one I am going to put stampers into this one. And I'm not too sure what I want to put in here. I might put my little electric nail drills in here, like my small one. Or I don't know. We'll see as I go. If you guys hear anything in the background, it's my dryer. Sorry about that. The dryer is going right now, so you'll hear a little bit of that noise in the back. But I'm gonna pull out a couple more things that I do want to put in here, and I'm gonna go ahead and get started with organizing. I have been needing to do this for so long. Actually, one thing that I did want to do, I have mostly gel stuff in here. I do have some regular nail polish and stuff in here, but I do have like gel nail polish in here. And I do want to put all of my gel stuff and like my poly gel into one container if I possibly could. And I was thinking of using this one. Now I've just been throwing stuff in here, random stuff that I've been using in my videos, and when I get done I've just been tossing it in here, so all of this can come out. I just have to put it back in its place, and I think I'm going to start with that first. I'm going to switch all of this stuff over into here, and then I'll start with this one. So okay, let's see how this is gonna go. And I can't show you guys a super good view, but this is, let me see, this is my new table. I don't know if you guys can really see, but it's a folding table, and that's what I like because it's perfect for using for doing nails and stuff. And when I want to put it up, I can. It's not very big at all. I'll leave the link, Amazon link, in my description box. But yeah, this folds in and the top comes off and it just clips on. So it just clips on like that in each of the corners, and it stays on there really good. It's really nice and sturdy. It's not flimsy or anything like that at all. So yeah, I really like it. Nice little shiny table. Alright, so I'm gonna get all this stuff out of here. So far, this is what I have done. I have all of my gel polishes in this container. I think this is all of them. Now, I was going to put the poly gel in there with it, but as you can see, it got pretty full. So I decided I'm going to put the poly gels in here. This is what I was going to use for my stampers, but I think I'll have something else to put that in as I clean out certain containers. So all of my poly gel will go in here, the forms, the brush, and whatever else that I need to use for that, I'm gonna put in here. So I'm gonna do that next. Everything that I had inside of here, I just threw in here for now. But this stuff I want to put back in place with where it goes. But for now, I'm just going to leave that in here and go ahead and work on putting the poly gel up, and then decide on what I want to clean next. So put this over here, lid on this. I may add a couple more things in here that I use for like gel and stuff, but for now. And then this is the container that I actually got at Dollar Tree, so it's a nice size for this. I like how it latches, so it's keeping it, you know, closed. I don't have to worry about it the lid popping off, and I can fit more stuff in here because there's enough height to stack some things on top. But so far I'm happy with how this turned out. And then I'll probably label it just because I have some labels. Let me get this out the way for now. Definitely want this label off. I found this in the see how it says teaching tree. It's like a teacher's section, and it's for like, you know, school supplies or crafts, whatever you want to use it for. But these are the forms, so I'm gonna put that in there. These are the forms that I've used already, and like the clips to hold them on. I'll stick that in there. Everything fits in there nice. And then as I collect more poly gel, I'll probably try to find another container like the one I have the gel polishes in, so I'll be able to fit, you know, more in there. But for now, this will work. All right, so that's done. This is nail foil glue. I have one already in the gel polish container. I'm going to put this one up with my other stuff. Okay, so I got that done on this. Decided to get some sanitizing wipes and just wipe down all of the tools I'm putting in here, since they were in my other container for a while and I want them to be all nice, clean, sanitized, and ready for use. Alright, y'all, so I'm done putting everything in here. Everything fit good. This stuff I'm gonna put in a different place. I may just throw these in here for now. But I have all my nail art brushes, and I have my acrylic brushes back here, my dotting tools, and my nail polish cleanup tools up here at the top. And I think that's all I'm gonna put in there for now. Make sure it closes. Yes, it does. It needs to be cleaned off. It's dusty. But yeah, it opens and closes good. This is a nail piercing tool for like when you do acrylic nails or the press on nails or whatever. it opens up and it has this little pointy thing inside, and you can poke a hole in the nail and put like a charm on it, like a dangly charm. So that's what that is. So I'm just gonna keep that in. I haven't even used it yet. And keep that in there. Close it up. And so this one's now done. So I have 3 containers all together now, and this one, so cute. I think I'm gonna put, if I can open it, definitely gonna put this in there, and the cord once I find it. I don't know what I did with the cord, but this is just my little pin size e-file, electric file nail drill, and it's so tiny, so it fits perfectly in there. I'm gonna put my nail polish spinner in there, and I'm gonna put a couple of the I don't use all of these for the nail polish bottle spinner, so I'm gonna take a couple out and put those in there. And so far for now, I think that's all I'm gonna put in this one. I might put, this is like a holder for your brushes, your nail art or acrylic brushes. You just sit them there on the grooves. So I think I'm gonna stick that in there for now, since that's what it's used for. Take a couple of these out. I can't remember which ones I use. I know they're a little small, like that one for sure. This one, and then a smaller one for like smaller bottle tops. So I'll put that in there. Alright, that'll be it for now. So that's perfect. And I have a couple more mini electric files like that. If I come across them, I'll probably put them in here with this as well. So that's all done. These are gel brushes. I'm going to put these brushes in here. Just gonna stick them down in there until I use them. Close it back up. I have 4 containers with my things in it, nice and organized. So that's good. I now have this empty. Like I said, I think I'm gonna go ahead and use it for this is my cotton ball holder, what I use like if my nails are done and I want to take nail polish off my toes or someone else's nails and I don't want the polish coming off of my nails. I use this. It's actually a strawberry pit picker. Maybe I can put this in here. Alright, I'll close that in a minute, but it fits perfectly in there. I switched this around a little bit because it was closing. It just was really tight. So I put these containers on this side and just moved the base coat and top coats over here. I put a cuticle oil in here, and I put a cuticle oil in here as well. So I have plenty. So whenever I use either one, I'll have a cuticle oil with it. And yeah, that's it. So I think that's all I'm going to organize for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me organize my stuff. I really like this container, and this was a good container as well. I think they both fit everything really good. I hope that I can find some more of these because I do want to switch this out and eventually put my stampers in this one. And yeah, so that is it. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you are new, please consider subscribing, thumbs up the video, and turn on notifications so you guys will know when I upload new videos. Thank you guys for watching. Bye, y'all.